You've flown with us before. You have? That's enough experience for the whole group. So we'll tell you, you're going to go left to right. You're the pilot going left to right. You're going up and down. It's a little bit inverted, but you'll pick it up. You'll be fine. Gunners, if they shoot at you, what are you going to do? Panic? No, you're going to shoot back. You got to push those buttons and shoot them back. Okay, don't let them do that. And again, your engineers are droids, so you're going to be okay. It's their first day. We just reprogrammed them. They'll be fine. Do you have any questions for me? Good, because it's time to go. All right, you're going to head all the way down that long hallway, and they are ready for you. Have a great time.
Nothing to be afraid of. Yes? Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corel.
To your cabin, please find your seatbelts, buckle up as quick as you can. The seatbelts go from the side to the middle.
And supervised runways.
Any personal belongings go on the floor between your feet or in the couches against the wall. Go ahead and buckle up those seatbelts. And all together, please tug on that yellow tab on your seatbelt. Tug, tug, tug. Perfect. Thanks so much, Mike. Hit all your flashing buttons.
Had enough. I'm in money. Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is. After that plane. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Left pilot, brakes. Good work! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Alright, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal. All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate